Hey guys, this is Alok and I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to discuss a code forces problem which appears in code forces around 781, and this is the second problem of the particular contest. So problem statement says that you are given an array A of size n. Initially there is only one copy of the given array. You can do operations of two types. First operation, you have to choose any array and clone it. Okay, you can clone any or array. Basically there is only one array, so you can clone this particular array. After that there is one more copy of the chosen array. In the second operation, you can swap the elements of from any two copies on any of positions. Okay, you need to find the minimum number of operation needed to obtain a copy where all the elements are equal. So basically we have to create a array from the given array that all the elements of the array final array will be equal. Okay, so in this particular case test, so in this particular test case one, we have to just perform the zero operation to make it with the conditions fulfilled. Okay, and let's try to test with the second one. So second array is this, which saying that six elements are there, and elements are such as 0 1 3 3 7 0. We have to make an array which having final array which having the same element in the array. So what we can do, we can reduce our swap operations via selecting the most frequent element. Okay, I'm repeating this. We can optimize our operations by selecting the most frequent element. Okay, so in this particular array, which one is the most frequent element? There is actually two elements which are most frequent, 0 and 3. The both the elements are occurring twice. And now we have to calculate the number of cloning array operations. Okay, so in this we have to clone the array which is 0 1 3 3 7 0. Okay, this is the clone of the array, and now swap those elements. Let's pick this 0 and swap with this particular one. That will becomes like this. Okay, so in the next operation we will swap this particular 0 to this 3. After that it will look like this. Okay, so in the next operation we can't do because there is no zero remains, so we have to create another clone of this particular array. Okay, so now we have to add the cloning operation that we did, and now we are going to did one more cloning operation. There is four zeros that will neglify. Okay, that will become fulfill with the zeros. So there is one more operation. So finally we have to do six operations for doing this particular task. Okay, so let's check, is it fine or not. Okay, yeah, so that's our answer actually. So we have to do six operations for this particular task. Okay, so that our idea is quite okay. So we have to go with the solution. What we did, that exactly is a code. So you can look at this code. What I did, I took for it for the test cases. Okay, I took the map for counting the frequency of for getting most frequent element, and here we are counting the frequency. Okay, not big deal. And here I just got the maximum frequency element, or we can say element with the maximum frequency. Okay, so and in this line I reduced that from the array size. Okay, so as I did that there was six array size, and two was most frequent element, and the four was the number of swiping operations was there. Okay, as we discussed earlier in the test cases. And now we have to calculate only the number of cloning array operations. Okay, so every time when we reach the, or we can say every time when we are going to clone a particular array, the after swapping the most frequent element will be double. Okay, so here I did the same thing, and after that you can see I created that I have used the cloning array here. Okay, and finally I wrote the answer here. Okay, I'm just going to output the particular answer. So that's the code. Let's try to submit it. I hope it should be work. Sorry guys, so as you can see there is error in somewhere between the header file. let's fix it. I fixed that. Let's try to resubmit it again. And yeah, it's accepted.